Oldham Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again last Tuesday, when 6th of May 2025, where the Oldham Way down from Brun Clough and down to Ward Lane Diggle and beyond. What? Continued working on the Oldham Way after wrecking. We installed a new post, removed old waymarkers and fixed new waymarkers. Who? 4 volunteers out this week. Kevin, Bob, Paul and Mike. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching. Volunteers working for walkers. Keep on walking.